cheating have come to a stage where it is normalized, bro. And to a point where people don't consider cheating as cheating. You get for cheating, like for example, exchange of souls. Abantu abasenandaba with exchanging souls, boy. It's normalized and it's wrong. So when in this time and age, like ufuna ukuhlala ube single ubhekana naloyo muntu oyi-one ozohlala naye.
Okay, so for me, you see, one thing that I've seen, right? Okay, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm a Christian, right? So, I believe that, in the year 2026, the devil is alive and well, right? He's healthy, because you see, a lot of guys, some are cheater, even girls, ladies, we fall into temptations, right?
Easily.
We tend to fall into temptation easily,